Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for those without an IT background. Begin by setting up your Python environment, perhaps using an online interpreter or a local installation. Focus on understanding core concepts like variables, data types, and basic operations. Consistent daily practice, even for short periods, is key to building a strong foundation and making progress. Once you grasp the basics, immediately start applying your knowledge to small projects. This hands-on approach solidifies understanding much faster than just reading. Try building a simple to-do list application or a basic data analysis script. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Aim for 1 to 2 small projects per week. As you progress, delve into Python's powerful libraries and functions. These tools significantly extend Python's capabilities, allowing you to tackle more complex tasks efficiently. Familiarize yourself with concepts like functions and classes, which are fundamental to writing organized and reusable code. Libraries like NumPy or Matplotlib open doors to data science and visualization. Learning Python is an ongoing journey, so embrace continuous learning. Stay updated with new features and best practices by reading official documentation and blogs. Engage with the Python community through forums or local meetups. Collaboration can accelerate your learning. Consider contributing to open-source projects for practical experience and networking opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.